Welcome to Books in Minutes, where great books meet real-life transformation. Today, we're diving into one of the most practical and life-changing financial books ever written, The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. This isn't a book about overnight success, complex investing, or risky business. It's about how ordinary people, teachers, office workers, middle-class families, can become millionaires automatically, not by working harder, but by working smarter. David Bach begins with a simple truth. Most people believe that to become a millionaire, you need a big income or lucky break, but that's a lie. He shows that wealth is not built by chance, it's built by systems. And once those systems are set up, you don't need to think about them again. That's what he calls the Automatic Millionaire system. The book opens with the story of Jim and Sue McIntyre, a normal couple with average jobs. They didn't earn a lot, but when David Bach reviewed their finances, they were millionaires. They had no debt, owned 2 homes, and were preparing for a comfortable retirement. When he asked how they did it, their answer was simple. Everything in our financial life is automatic. They didn't rely on discipline or motivation. They relied on automation. Automatic saving, automatic investing, and automatic debt payments. And that's the main secret of the book. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. Bach says the problem with most people is not that they don't make enough money, it's that they don't keep enough of what they earn. Every time we get paid, we pay everyone else first. Landlords, credit card companies, grocery stores, and if something's left, we save. But often, nothing is left. So he flips the formula. Pay yourself first automatically. Before you pay your bills, before you spend, before anything, a fixed portion of your income should go directly into your savings or investment account. And the key word is automatic, because if it's automatic, you can't forget, you can't procrastinate, and you can't talk yourself out of it. Bach explains that people think saving money is hard because it requires discipline. But automation removes discipline from the equation. You set it once, and it works for you forever. He also introduces the famous concept of the Latte Factor. He explains how small daily expenses, like coffee, snacks, or unnecessary subscriptions, quietly drain your wealth. If you spend just $5 every day on small luxuries, that's around $150 a month. And over 30 years invested wisely, that could grow into millions. The lesson is not that you should stop enjoying life, but that you should be aware of where your money is leaking. Redirect small, unnoticed spending toward long-term investments, and your future self will thank you. Then, Bach moves into the idea of making your banking automatic. He says technology can be your greatest wealth tool if you use it right. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account every payday. Set up automatic bill payments to avoid late fees. Set up automatic investments into mutual funds or retirement accounts. That way, you don't rely on memory or motivation. Your system works silently, 24/7, building your future while you live your life. He often says, you don't have to be rich to start, but you have to start to be rich. Even if it's just a small percentage of your income, 5%, 10%, whatever you can. What matters is consistency, not the amount. Over time, compound interest turns small savings into massive wealth. Bach also talks about owning a home as part of the Automatic Millionaire plan. He believes that homeownership is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. Not because homes are perfect investments, but because they force you to save automatically. Every mortgage payment builds equity, and if you make bi-weekly payments instead of monthly, you pay off your loan years earlier, saving thousands in interest. The idea is simple. Automate your mortgage payments, make them slightly higher than required, and watch your home turn into one of your biggest wealth assets. But before investing or buying a home, Bach emphasizes one crucial step: getting out of debt. He explains that most people work hard only to hand over their earnings to credit card companies. To escape this trap, he suggests creating an automatic debt reduction plan. List all debts from smallest to largest and focus on paying off one at a time, automatically. When one is cleared, roll that payment into the next. This creates momentum, a snowball effect that eliminates debt faster than you'd expect. Throughout the book, Bach keeps returning to the same truth. Wealth is not built by intelligence or luck, but by automation. The reason so many people fail financially is not because they're lazy or stupid, but because they try to rely on willpower, and willpower eventually fails. Automation never fails. He says, people don't plan to fail, they fail to plan. When you automate your plan, you eliminate human error. Your savings grow every month, your debts shrink, your bills pay themselves, and you move closer to financial freedom without even thinking about it. Toward the end, Bach paints a vivid picture of what happens when you live as an automatic millionaire. Your stress disappears. You no longer worry about bills or retirement. You know your future is secure because your system is working for you, even when you're asleep, on vacation, or facing tough times. He reminds readers that money itself isn't the goal. Freedom is. Freedom to do what you love, spend time with who you love, and live life on your terms. And the path to that freedom doesn't start with more income. It starts with automating what you already have. He ends the book with a powerful challenge. You can be rich or you can look rich. Choose wisely. That's the essence of the Automatic Millionaire. It's not about being flashy or chasing status. It's about building a life that runs on autopilot, where your financial foundation is strong, secure, and stress-free. And that's the message of the Automatic Millionaire. Build a system that makes you rich automatically. You don't need to change who you are. You just need to change your setup. Let automation handle your money so you can focus on living your life. If you found this summary inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to Books in Minutes, where we turn life-changing books into lessons that move you forward. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial freedom can start today, automatically.